Draw a straight line, then draw a vertical line and another vertical line beside it. Draw a small box between the vertical lines and then start making right. Draw the thick upper base, lower base, then a circle inside it. Play with the eyebrows and then move on to the nose. Draw a rectangle upwards from its right side, commence the nose base and then to the left side. Now to the glossy lip. Begin with the triangle, then draw a line below it, draw a line over it, then start the base from the upper end of the triangle. Draw the lower line and then finish with the middle line and do the blah blah. Now for the tricky work, from the end of the straight line draw a semicircle and connect to it from the end of the eyebrow. Do the same with the other side and begin doing the hair. Construct some messy lines here and then a line there. Okay, you can do some corrections with your face cut. Draw the neckline, some tricky lines for the arm, draw the shoulder, and then do the tangled lines for the hairs all around. And don't forget to draw the ear. Draw the rest of the hair and then work on the rest of the dress thing. Draw the creases under the shoulder and then play with the arm. Don't forget to finish the hair. Add some lines on the arms to give it a kind of realistic look. Then draw the fist. Erase and draw again. Keep trying, that's how it works. Do the wrist and finishing the arm, come to the last thing, the second eye. Once more draw a small box between the vertical lines and within that box begin with the upper thick baseline, then the lower line with a circle inside, fill it in a bit and then erase the helping line. Do some finishing touches, check your lips, nose, eyes, face cut, hairs and eyebrows. And boom, you made it! Congratulations on becoming an artist. Now you can celebrate International Artists' Day. Yes, it is today.